Hello guys, hope so you are doing good. In this video I will show you how to fix voicemail not working in Moto G77. First of all, clear voicemail cache. Open setting. Now in settings, scroll down, click on apps. Now here you will see app. Search voicemail app. Now click on voicemail. Scroll down, click on storage and cache. And now here you will see clear cache. And if you want to clear cache, then click on clear cache. After click on clear cache, voicemail will be clear cache from your phone. Now go back. After that, reset network setting. Again open setting, scroll down, click on system, scroll down, click on reset option, click on reset mobile network setting. After click on reset setting, mobile network setting will be reset from your phone. Now go back. After that, software update. Again open setting, scroll down, click on system updates, scroll down, click on check for updates and click on update. After click on update, your phone software will be updated from your phone. This is how you can fix voicemail not working in Moto G77. I hope you like this video and thanks for watching this video.